Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today I have Beezer. It's a great app, no-code app builders that I'm going to walk you through, and we're going to see what features and integrations it has to offer. And so first off, I want to let you know these are the features that it has right here. It's allow you to build progressive web app without um, knowing how to code. So there's a lot of different options on here. Now they also have an offline mode, and this is progressive web app is more is lighter and it's easier to manage than the regular apps where you have on um, Apple Store or Google app, which is more like a lot more features and more a lot heavier. So Progressive app has a lot of great things as well. You can do push notification, member login, live chat. Some of these features here, live chat, it's actually you have to pay for it from app my site and analytics and things like that. These some of these are included if you want to go and create the app through here. You can do countdown, user rating, workout component, website wrappers, things like videos and documents and things like that, just to help them like kind of like interactive videos and stuff like that, just to help them have a better understanding about your business. They have food delivery, food ordering, and they have forum and things like that on the app as well, which is really great. So let's talk about the pricing. So the pricing here is going to be, uh, so they have a 14 days trial for you. And after that, it's going to be, let's just say the monthly is going to be, which is pretty affordable right here. This is the price. You get one progressive app for everything except the 4 tiers, which is 15 progressive app, and then you get hosting as well, email hosting. So they give you an free hosting, and then not sure what this means, but yeah. So some of the I guess you can more like an add-on or something. You can purchase one of these. So 14 here, $15, 15 pounds, euros. So yeah, different options here. So you can take a look to see um, what you like better. Now with the reseller, you get 15 web app, which is um, pretty cool. And then you can also doing distribution by email, distribution by text messaging, and push notifications, all that stuff right here. Remember logged in, right here, all these advanced features here. So let me just take a look at integrations, okay? Okay, so integrations. So integrate with Canva, uh, Facebook, all the stuff, WordPress, YouTube. Cool. You can embed YouTube videos and playlists in our integrations. You can do appointment, Vimeo, WooCommerce, all that stuff, WhatsApp, and Stripes, WordPress. See, you can basically do a lot of things in here with integrations here. So let's see, resellers. Okay, start your own web. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, you can pretty much do a lot of stuff. You can become a reseller, and this is the price for resellers. If you want to pay monthly, if you pay yearly, it's a lot cheaper. So let's just go back to pricing and click on year. See how much of a difference it's going to be. And there you go. There you have it. So yeah, let me walk you through inside Beezer account here. So first off, when you logged in, you have all of these different options. So you can first you build and then you can go distribute, engage, analytics, member logged in, and business tools, things like that. You can enable food ordering, booking, marketplace, and then they have view your apps. Okay, so this is create new apps here, and you can see how it looks like on mobile and desktop. Okay, and you can press publish. And let me just see. So let's walk you through a little bit here. So all these pages, it has home page. Yeah, so basically, pretty self-explanatory. This is the first page, and it has the design, the layout, and then you can upload your own images. You can put your own text in here, title, subtitle. Okay, okay. So you can, wow, a lot of analytic events and stuff like that. Then you can do courses. Okay, so basically you can feature your course, have a pictures, image of your videos. Wow, look at all of that. Business management. Oh, okay, okay. And then you can have program. Let's just say you have a membership or a course or a ebook. You can definitely start doing that. These are just some of the examples. Yeah, mission form, computers, analytics. So these are just some examples for you. Okay, that's pretty cool. I don't know what that on the bottom here. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to get started, and then you after you created it, you can share via texting, email, share history, social media, widgets. Yeah, and then you can do push notifications, analytics. I just say member login, user events. Wow, there you go. Create all this. Oh yeah, so you can also book an event, things like that on here. You can create an event on here, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so I hope you have a chance to check it out and uh, and just play around with it because there are so many different options on here. It's pretty amazing to be able to go through all the stuff and the screen splash screen menu. They have PayPal setting. They have accessibility, privacy, app admin, and custom email, all that stuff. So you can add email on here. So for all this, you get to start building with starting with the anything plan or the something plan, and you have your own hosting, which is pretty cool. So if you need just something simple, like you just need like a food um, app or like a restaurant that you just want to create something, then definitely you can go in here and try it out and see how it goes. If you want to have a e-commerce store, it's more something advanced, and you might want to check out a little bit more higher tiers where you have advanced features and member login. And yeah, so let me know what you think on this platform. And you know, I want to see if it has something more like you have the chance to advertise, like ad mob, anything like that. But from what I can see, it's more of something it's creating for you to interact with your user via apps more. They don't have, I don't see that they have something that more like um, you can create like ad mob and advertise on your apps on here. But let me know what you think if you find something on here that's that has it. Let me know because I don't really see it on here where you can link it to AdMob and things like that. But it's a great way to um, link your website and your WooCommerce and all that stuff onto this website onto this app. So it's pretty pretty cool how it's allow you to do that. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if you have tried it out and if I miss anything. and what kind of app builders that you would like me to review. See you in the next video.